The next item is a heading. This is quite self-explanatory, but I'll show you one thing about this. Like, let's say I have this heading and I bold some text inside this heading. So now where you can choose what type of heading it is, like H1 or H3. I'll just use H1 tag for now. And when you go into the styles, there are some styles using which this bold part of the heading, it changes into this. So like if I apply this different type of styles to it, you'll see that I can like change this underline color and it can like look very nice. And this is the bold part, and this can be very useful to highlight some part of the heading. The other thing about heading is that you can also add gradient text to it. So let's say I want to add a gradient, so I'll just go and I can here, and then I can just like select this select some gradient like this, and like whatever gradient you like. And one more thing about heading is like I can also animate part of the headings. Like if I go and if I add this special typing effect, I can save this, and now it will create this special typing effect on my heading. So this is used on many websites, and you can also use it on your website too now. There are a lot of different effects. There are more animations, like you can also say important to 10 times. Okay, and now I can also animate this 10. I'll go and I'll add a counter to this. So I say let's say important from 1 to 10, and then I'll just say set the speed, and then I'll say when I play this, so this also animates. So now we have two animations on our heading, and you can add as many animations as you want.